Hello and welcome to today's video where I'm going to share a method with you, which is undertapped. It's got huge potential for this, and I'll also share with you how to fast track the entire method. Now, I'll tell you how I came across this method. So obviously I have this website and I was doing a bit of research for, different side hustles and different methods for making money online and from home. And I came across this article over here of this guy over here. Now, he's earning incredible amounts of money every single month with something which just takes a bit of time and effort. So we can see down here, look, I'm a dad of two and I quit my 9 to 5 job to do my side hustle and now I earn £10,000 a month. I'm in the UK, so in terms of dollars, this comes in at $12,454 a month from this side hustle. Now, here's the question. What is a side hustle? Well, I'll show you. So let's just scroll down here. And I'll show you the side hustle. I'll show you examples of this. Then I'll share with you how you can do this yourself. So basically, this chap, he had a full-time job and he was looking for different methods to start making money online. And as usual, he started with a side hustle and now he's turned it into his full-time gig. And this is the thing with any side hustle. In time, it can literally build up to something which is huge. So what is it? So what you can see here. So he started writing speeches for cash back in 2014. So Richard signed up to a freelancer site like Fiverr to list his services. And you can see on here, look, he had no idea it would end up being his full-time job. Well, let's come down here, but look at this, okay? So he had a full-time job. He started off slow and worked on evenings and weekends. This is how we've got to put in some time and effort with this. Soon as I was off work, I was working on my side job. And then you can see here, started to scale this up. You can see here though, look, in the beginning, it was tough and tiring. And basically what he was doing is he was going ahead and writing and helping, you can see on here, helping people with speeches, specifically wedding speeches, okay? And at the time, look at this, he left his 75 grand a job year to go down this route. Now he sells over on a platform called Fiverr, and you can see on here, Fiverr takes a 20% commission. So on a month, anywhere between 3.5 grand to 6 grand a month, and when it's wedding season, up to £10,000 a month from offering this service. Okay, it's pretty crazy. So look, this article is over here. It's over. In fact, I'll drop a link to it in the comments for you if you want to go ahead and read this. So I went over to the website Fiverr on here, and you can see I've just typed in wedding speech. Now, surprisingly, there are only 342 people offering this service, and not 342 people, there are 342 services available. Now here, straight away, do you notice anything? This person, this person, this one, this one, this one, this one, scroll further down, this one, this one, this one, they're all the same. This one, they're all the same person here, doing this exact method. It's pretty insane, and all he's doing here is, in terms of his listing on Fiverr, is he's just uploading a different thumbnail and changing it from, what we can see here, look, wonderful maid of honor speech. If I come up here, we have got father of the bride, best man speech, best man wedding speech. Scroll further up here, special father of the bride. What's that? Same-sex speech vows, best man speech, okay? And all of them, look at the prices, what they are starting at. Ridiculous. And obviously, look, there are other people on here, look, starting at this amount of money. Well, let's go into one of these and have a look at this, and then I'll share with you how you could potentially do this method yourself. So if I scroll down here, we can see it's currently got 2 orders in the queue, this Richard Ford over here. Now this here is his basic package, and what will he get for a basic package? So a unique tribute speech with great memories, emotion and warm words that will triumph over everyone. Up to 8 minutes, topic research, 2 revisions, £156. Standard is £165, and then we've got over here £190. And if we click on here, you can go through and have a look at some different pictures basically. And if we come down here, look, it tells you about this and what you can expect for this. So this is doing this the manual way. So if you are, particularly good at writing or being creative, you can offer your services over on a platform like Fiverr. As you've seen, there's not a lot of people offering this service. And I've just had a thought. I wonder if you could find something like this over on a platform like Etsy. Let's just have a very quick look. So let's go and type in here. I'm going to type in wedding speech. I'm guessing so. let me get rid of that. Let's scroll down here. So, is anyone offering this? The best speech ghostwriter. So look, best man speech ghostwriter, personalized custom writing. So there's another opportunity. You could even go ahead and list your services over on Fiverr. When somebody buys your service on Fiverr, guess what? You can come over onto Etsy and get this person over here to do the work for you. That there is known as retail arbitrage. That's another option for you with this method. Let's see if anyone look here, best man template. So again, we've got people selling templates on here and other stuff. So over on Etsy, looking at that, what have we got on here? Best wedding speech. So again, someone there, look, 5 of the bride samples. So we could potentially do retail arbitrage with this. We could also list our services over on Fiverr and over on Etsy. Now, how do we do this? The lazy way, the easy way. Well, AI, obviously. Why wouldn't we use something like AI to help us with this? So, for example, I'm going to come over to this AI software over here. I think you'll probably know which one it is. It's called Jasper. If you haven't seen this before, I'll drop a link to this down below. You can try it out completely for free for 10,000 words. So what I'm going to do is, we have lots of options along here, but I'm just going to try and show you something really quick. I'm going to go to the chat option down here. Now, you can see on here, where it says here, I'm just going to type something in. So I'm just going to say, please, could you write me a short best man wedding speech? Now, here's the thing, okay? When we go ahead and sell one of these services, and by the way, I would undercut the whole market. I would make myself, the cheapest on there, but over deliver on what we're going to provide them. They would give us some information and some like stories or things that we could include, and we could give this to Jasper over here to incorporate their information into the actual speech. But I'm just going to go on here. So please could you write me a short best man wedding speech, include a funny story, and I'm just going to go with that. Thanks. And I'm going to hit on enter, and I'm just going to wait to see what the AI can do for me. Now, in terms of AI, it works a lot better with prompts and playing around with this. But we can see here very, very quickly, we can see we have got this over here. So the name of I have known such and such since they were kids. Let's see. Find the perfect engagement ring to be the best. So here again, look, it's going ahead and telling us a funny story. Look, he had lost his wallet and realised he couldn't pay for it. In a frenzy. After that, we met. Yeah, so I mean, overall, you can see here I've put in, write a short best man story. But we could have it, we could get it to create a long one. And obviously, when somebody goes ahead and buys one of these services over on Fiverr, they are going to give us information about the couple who are getting married. They will tell us funny stories that we can give to the AI software and put that into here. It's simple and it's easy. And don't get me wrong, you could use other software like ChatGPT, Sonic Writer. There are many of these available. Personally, I use and recommend Jasper. It's just awesome. But as you've seen with this over here, and by the way, you don't have to use AI. It's just an option for you. It's just an easy option. But if we go back over here onto Fiverr and just look at, the number of sellers who are doing this, there aren't a lot of people doing this. We've got this one, this person, and this one. And you can just go in and see, what are they offering? How much are they charging? So I can come in here. Look, a 1 to 2 minute wedding speech. A wedding speech of approximately 500 words to win you a round of applause on the wedding day. That's it. For £67, so about $73. Let's look at this one here. 3 to 5 minutes, 84. Premium, 93. It's insane. And again, look, 2 orders in the queue. So people are actively looking for these services. Let's just have a look at one more. So what's this person here? I'm going to go in here and I'm going to have a look. So he is a top rated seller over here. Look, I mean, look at this, £135 standard and premium. So there you go. That is a simple side hustle for you today. And it's going ahead and creating, wedding speeches online. But I wouldn't limit myself to Fiverr. I would go on Fiverr. I would go on Upwork. I would go on guru.com. I would go on People Per Hour. Basically, any freelancing website, I would put these gigs on there. I would also go over onto Etsy. And if you didn't want to go down this route here, guess what? You could do retail arbitrage, which is what we saw over here on Etsy. we could get someone to pay us over on Fiverr, and then we can come over here and use a best man speech ghostwriter. So if I go into this seller over here, I mean, look at this, 50 sales, they're charging £27. And then we've got down here, look, to get started, please share your friend's love story with me, details about it, It's just another option for you. But here's the thing, okay, and this is what I always say to people when it comes to making money online. This up here, this 10 grand a month, it sounds awesome. Well, it's awesome, isn't it? But it doesn't happen overnight. You've got to put in the time and the effort. And for me personally, I'm always saying to, people over in the university, pick a method, stick with it for at least 3 to 6 months until you start to see some results, and then maybe look at building up another income stream and another income stream. And in the university over here, we focus primarily on passive, passive or semi-passive different incomes. But we also have a solution down here for, looking into different passive, passive, passive incomes, semi-passive and active incomes. And we've also got a huge section down here on Fiverr as well. So that's included for you. So if you're in the university, go through this and have a look. But look, that is today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you've got any questions, please let me know. But yeah, what do you think? Any good? Are you going to give this a go? Let me know in the comments down below. Take care. I'll see you soon.